Welcome to JH. I recently tested the Hemios magnetic bracelet and want to share my thoughts. To start, the aesthetic is quite polished. The hematite stones provide a glossy metallic appearance that looks great. The design captures that ancient warrior vibe described on their website, reminiscent of something a Roman or Viking might wear. According to the site, this piece can improve your energy levels, concentration, and general well-being. However, there is no scientific evidence suggesting that wearing this will actually alter your physical or mental state. Because of this, it is better to view it as a fashionable accessory rather than a medical or health tool. It is comfortable to wear, though online feedback is varied, which aligns with my own observations. The brand's marketing focuses heavily on warrior themes and uses high-pressure tactics like limited stock alerts. While some customer reviews seem persuasive, verifying their authenticity is difficult. Ultimately, if the appearance and the history appeal to you, it is an enjoyable item to own. Just keep your expectations realistic regarding any changes to your focus or energy. It is primarily a style choice.